Alright, so welcome back. We're gonna go on with yet another example about a NOR transformation once again. So let's suppose that we have the following function. F of well, A, B, C, D equal to not A, not B, plus C, plus C, it's not B, plus D. And we want to find the NOR transformation. Right, so for the NOR transformation, we're going to use the following properties. So for the NOR transformation, we're gonna use those two properties. X, Y is like saying not X, not Y, and X plus Y, like saying X, Y with a not all above. So we're going to say, okay, first thing first, let's rewrite this one in the same form, but without the this notation, with the other notation, the one that's commonly used notation. The notation we're going to use is this one with a not here. So not A times not B plus C plus C times not B plus D plus C oh no, plus D, it was fine. Here's this one, not B. Okay, so from here we're basically gonna start and we're gonna use those properties, just two properties here, 1 and 2. So what we're gonna do is say, okay, first of all, I want to get rid of what's inside here. So inside these parentheses here and these parentheses here, so A naught, it's gonna stay the same. The inside, I want to get rid of this plus here. So instead of this plus, since is like saying X plus Y, I'm basically gonna have narrow down and put a not on top of everything. So I'm basically gonna have B naught, narrow down, because it's all NOR, C, and I'm gonna put a big fat knot on top of both of them, just like in this case. Then I'm gonna go on and say, okay, C times, then I'm gonna have B plus D, which is essentially the same as this one. So I'm gonna have, it's like saying X plus Y, so I'm gonna have X arrow down Y and a knot on top of everything. So B naught, arrow down D, and then a knot on top of everything. I'm gonna go on. What I really want to get rid of is just two A times something and C times something. In this case, I'm gonna use this other property, X times Y. So I'm gonna have a narrow down, I'm gonna put a knot on top of each individual term. So in this case, I'm gonna put a knot on top of A and on top of this one, and here I'm going to put a NOT on top of C and on top of this one. So basically I'm going to have A NOT NOT, arrow down, B NOT, arrow down C, all with a NOT because we already had this NOT. I'm going to have another NOT on this one, this individual one. I'm going to have plus, I'm going to have C, arrow down, I have B NOT, B NOT, arrow down, D, all with a NOT and a NOT again, because we already had a NOT and I had to put a NOT on each individual term. So this is basically what I'm gonna end up with. I'm gonna clean this one up a little bit because I have a double NOT here, a double NOT here, double NOT here, which I can get rid of because, you know, not something is just that original something. So in this case, not A, not A is A. I wrote down. And we have not these old things, which is just this thing. So B NOT, arrow down C, and we have plus C, arrow down, and not goes away. So B, arrow down D. And now the last thing I want to get rid of is essentially these plus here. So I'm going to use this property. I'm going to put a big fat NOT on top of everything. So, whoops, there we go. So this will be A, arrow down B NOT, arrow down C, arrow down C, arrow down B NOT, arrow down D. I'm going to put a NOT on top of everything. There we go. So yeah, this is basically what we ended up with, and we can rewrite it in this form, which is not A, arrow down, not B, arrow down C, arrow down, not C, arrow down, not B, D. There we go. So this is actually my final transformation, all NOR transformation, starting from this expression here.